I am Nikhil. I am 24-year-old doctor. I have finished my MBBS from AIIMS Delhi and I started this program in 2021 in the first batch. So I have finished the BS degree currently and I am now working as a informatics AI consultant at Expert Docs. What made me start this program was I was interested in learning more about data science and AI. So during COVID, I was at home and I got to know about this program. So I thought, and this allowed me to pursue it simultaneously with my MBBS degree. I probably didn't think I'll finish to the whole thing. I wanted to learn till the first two courses, like two levels, till Python maybe, but I found it interesting. So I did the whole degree. I got to learn a lot of skills. I learned so much data science, web development, NLP, LLMs. And so I found it very interesting. And so now I'm planning to pursue a master's in AI and probably go for a career in data science, especially in health tech, maybe. I got to learn so many languages actually. Like there was C also, C, Java, Python, what else? Bash in the system commands. So it's like a very long list in my resume right now. The course is taught by some amazing professors. I found like the lectures are very good, and the best part is our weekly assignments and the monthly quizzes. I found them very good. Like they actually help you understand the subject. It's not like online course where you can easily pass the course. You have to actually learn the subject. So it actually pushes you, and you'll learn the stuff, and it will help you a lot. So I did some interesting projects. We had to design our own LLM in the LLM course. We built our own websites. Yeah, it's very good. Coding, I thought it was maybe somewhat not easy, but Python I felt was easy. The Python course went through from the basics. So once I got that Python, then PDSA felt more like Max. Once you know the algorithms and stuff, coding it in Python was okay, not that hard. I found system commands to be very difficult, like so many commands, so many different languages. I feel like I forgot immediately after I was done with that course. I did all the 4 projects, both the MAD projects, MLP and the BDM project. So MAD projects, I felt like there were clear rubrics of what you had to develop. Like you had to develop a login page, you had to develop the CRAD application. So there were clear guidelines and the rest was up to you. And the course was teaching it alongside it. So you learn from the course and you develop it in your project at the same time. So it's like reinforcing what you learn. And so MLP, and I actually used that to build a website at AIIMS. So I was able to build something small which was actually used for some time. When I was doing my internship at MBBS, I found something like I could develop some small website which could be useful. So that was actually nice. The way I planned it was when I was going to have exams in the MBBS, I thought I'll take a break. So when I was having my final exams, so those 2 terms I dropped in the BS degree so that I can go and complete the course there. And once I was done with that, then I came back. So this flexibility was really nice because I could pause it for a while. I knew I would be able to finish it. I was taking the 4 courses max every time, so I was like, I'll finish it under 4 years anyway. So I was just able to free up that time. It was really nice. I thought I'll complete the course, but I didn't think I'll be a topper. I thought it will be very tough. I just want to finish the course. I want to learn stuff. But yeah, I found them very interesting. And I was like, every assignment I wanted to get to those 90%, more than 100%. Like that's like a good dopamine hit every week, seeing the assignments, course and quizzes. So it was like really nice. I want to shift to a more machine learning engineer kind of role. So I'm planning for a master's in the India, like MTech degree or MS research. So I gave the GATE exam recently. So I'm waiting for those results and I want to see where I get the seat.